I just realized I forgot to do the last test. So I'm looking for the diode drop. So I'm putting the positive here to the battery terminal and over to the D plus, and you see there is no conduction in that direction. If I switch them, let's see what we got. We do see a diode drop, and that's if I look at the screen. If I put the positive here, it has the possibility. I don't know. Positive there. Oh yeah, so it can go. No, it can't get there. I don't quite understand, but in this case, it must be like this diode here. I don't really know, but that doesn't matter because in operation, the B plus terminal is going to be the positive one, or when I turn off the key, I don't want to see any pathway to the D plus, and that's what I had before. So let's take it to ohms. Yeah, see, infinite resistance. So if I had the battery of the car battery here and I put my voltmeter there, I wouldn't see anything because there's no pathway through there. And let's see, and then in this direction, I guess it's going to be, yeah, it's got some. That's hard to judge. It's a big resistance, but it's some kind of solid state circuitry, and it's not ohmic. Okay, so we got to import this into YouTube. It'll be a little cruder looking